Are you earning the absolute most you can on your emergency fund? Because if you're looking at high-yield savings accounts, you've probably seen one name pop up, Popular Direct. And the big question is, with so many options out there, is the Popular Direct savings account actually worth your money? In this video, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of Popular Direct's exclusive savings account to figure out if it deserves a spot in your financial arsenal. Popular Direct has made a name for itself by consistently offering a highly competitive annual percentage yield, or APY. Right now, their rate is definitely a standout, often beating out many of the more mainstream competitors. That high APY is the number one reason people consider them. Your money simply grows faster. Plus, it's an online-only account, which typically means lower overhead costs that get passed on to you as better rates and, importantly, a $0 monthly service fee. That means every penny of interest stays in your pocket. It's also FDIC insured, so your money is safe up to the legal limit. So, where's the catch? Well, every high-yield account has a few trade-offs. For Popular Direct, the first thing to note is that their exclusive savings account has a minimum opening deposit. It's not a huge hurdle, but it is higher than the $0 minimum you'll find at many other online banks. You need to be prepared to fund the account with at least that much to get started. The second factor is access. It's a no-frills online bank. You won't find a checking account, a debit card, or physical branches. All transactions will happen via ACH transfer to and from a linked external bank account. For an emergency fund, that's usually fine, but if you need quick access to funds, those transfer times could be a slight delay compared to having an integrated banking suite. Finally, while the rate is excellent, the highest APY is not always exclusive to one bank. The world of high-yield savings is constantly changing. A competitive rate today might be matched or even surpassed by a competitor tomorrow. So, Popular Direct is great now, but like all high-yield savings accounts, it requires you to stay aware of the market. The verdict. Is the Popular Direct savings account worth it? If your primary goal is to maximize your interest earnings, you have the initial deposit ready, and you don't mind a simple, digital-only experience that relies on transfers for access, then absolutely, it's a top contender. It's ideal for dedicated savers focused purely on yield. However, if you prefer a one-stop shop for banking, need ultra-fast transfers, or want a physical presence, you might find a better fit elsewhere. Do your quick rate comparison, check the current minimums, and decide if its high yield outweighs its limited features for your specific financial setup. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.